Hey gang, D7 here with Grok Trade. It's Hump Day, Wednesday, June 27th, 2018. I don't have my camera on. I got a grungy t-shirt on. And I thought, that's not overly professional. I don't know how behind the scenes I want to go with you guys. Anyway, the market's in the day pretty bearish. We have the Dow down 165 points. Everyone's down quite a bit. Nasdaq down 1.4%. Russell's down 1.6%. Financials down 1.24%. US dollar higher by 0.5%. Crude oil up 2.7%. Gold lower. Silver lower by 1.4%. VIX spiking yet again. Nearly 13%. We are knocking at 18 on the VIX. And Bitcoin up 1.2%. We're at 6,100 on that. GBTC down 8%. Okay, let's take a look here at the markets. Just before I do, guys, I'm going to be in Louisville for a meet and greet. If you'd like to join me, you can do so. If you can drive to Louisville or be part of Louisville or anywhere near Louisville, not this Saturday but next. So what date would that be? That would be the 7th of July. 7th of July, all you do is scroll down to the bottom at Grok Trade, put in your information, and click Louisville. But if you're near Chicago, Columbus, Cincinnati, any of these areas, click that button. And yeah, I would love to sit down and just chit-chat. I'm trying to meet people that follow us here at Grok Trade. Just trying to meet. And it's always a good time. Maybe this weekend edition video I'll share a couple pictures of some of the meet and greets that we've had in the past, because we just started doing them this year. Here is the spider. At one point today I thought I was going to put a buy on it because it came busting higher, but by day's end we sold off. We're at this support level, guys, at this 269 area, big time area of support. Let's see what it does on Thursday. But right now we put a sell on this back on the 21st of June, and it has been bloody ever since. The diamonds, oh, before I do that, let me go back to the spiders real quick. Look at the weekly. Last week we put the sell on it, and this is what's happening right now. So far for the week, we're below the 20-week moving average. That's that blue line right here. Just a little bull pullback, but the question is, how much of a pullback is that going to be before it comes back? So this could be setting up for a nice weekly buy at some point, but you know, the jury's out until how this week ends and then what next week gives us. So a little early showing you the weekly. NASDAQ, if you go here, look at the NASDAQ, or let's go to the diamonds first. The diamonds. So we had a sell, dropped, get rid of a couple trend lines. We drop. It's just what a mess we're in. We're below the 200-day moving average. Guys, the last time we were below that on the Dow, last time we were below this is that big red moving average. Wow, when was the last time we were below that? Holy smokes, guys. The last time we even dipped, and it was a one-day dip below it, was June 27th, 2 years ago. So literally on this day, on this exact day 2 years ago, we dropped below big red. That's the 200-day moving average. Wow. And it only was one day. Let's look. Before that, we were below it. It goes back to the beginning of 2016. I'm using TradingView. Down, if you're watching us on, like, let's say YouTube, down in the descriptions I have a link to TradingView, and that's what I'm using here. All right, we're below it. The last couple of days we've been below it, and we're decisively below it now. So we are in big time trouble, guys. Nasdaq, we're down. We have the 50-day moving average acting as support, but there's our double top. See that? M for murder. And come crashing down. And small caps, Russell's 2000, put a sell on it, down. We're at a support line, guys, a couple support lines. Let's see what Thursday brings. Thursday, we could get a nice little bounce on Thursday. If we do, then the markets could start rallying back the next few days. We'll see. But the financials really have been telling the story ever since we put the sell on June 11th. June 11th, put a sell on that, and it really started telling the story of how poor this market is right now. It's a deep slide that the financials are on. US dollar, I had to put a buy on it. You had a nice little pullback yesterday. It popped, put a buy on it, and boom, today had a nice little rally. Crude oil, put a buy on it on the 21st, as you guys remember. And we're up. Try to break over a resistance point. Look how it closed right below it. You got to watch these resistance areas and support areas. They are spot on, man. Gold, I put a buy on it, short-lived. Had to put a sell on it on Monday, and we've been dropping ever since. I think we did the same thing with silver. No, silver, I stayed with it because we were above a support line. But today I have to put a sell on it. Oh, man, I should have put it on same time I put the gold on. But I saw support, wanted to stay with it. VIX, put a buy on it on the 21st. And look at this. We're up at 18, guys. Falling wedge breakout to the upside. Bitcoin, put a sell on it. Low base. I'm good with that sell. GBTC. Look at this sell-off. Massive little dip. Now, this could be a V-bottom, guys. Do you see this? This is where you get a panic sell-off. But things that drop fast tend to bounce fast. You'll get the whatever drop you have here, you'll get a bounce that looks just the same way. So look for buyers to come in. You can see capitulation happening pretty soon on that, is what it looks like to me. And GBTC, all that is if you want to get into cryptocurrency in your your retirement accounts, you can do so. Let's take a quick look at the Dow 30. Dow 30, and we're going to get into tech stocks. And as we do, guys, if you're going to be mentored by us, we have a live event. If you're willing to come sit 3 days with me, 3 days with Mark the Meerkat in Las Vegas in August, if you're willing to do that, we're going to teach you everything we know about trading and how to make money in the markets. Go to Grok Trade, look up the mentoring section. And anyway, go through, it asks you some questions to find out if we're even a match before we can talk. So, Apple, put a buy on it. Oh boy, but look at today. That's going to be a sell, guys. This buy may turn to bite me. Put a sell here on American Express, and it is dropping as expected. Boeing, down. Today it pops up. I thought, yep, today we'll put a buy on that. But look how it closed at the day's low. Just no way you'd want any Boeing right now. Caterpillar, down. Look at this. What just a bad drop here. Cisco, got a sell on it. It's going down. Whoa, this is Chevron. Got a sell on it. It popped today. Okay, I'm going to do this while I am on this thing. I'm very particular in how I draw my trend lines. And I only show you guys one set of the 3 different type of trend lines we do. We teach 3 trend line drawings in our mentorship. This is just the basic one. This is what we call our main trend lines, but we don't teach the minor or major ones. But look how we broke out. So because of that, it's going to get a buy signal. For you guys that are new, we are mentors, and I do buy and sell signals on stocks. And the whole purpose of doing these buys and sells is just to give you guys confidence is that we're traders first and educators second, and that you say, hey, I could use guidance, some hand holding, and some, just be held accountable in your trading. A lot of free information out there, but it's about the simulation of it, information out there to help you become a rock star trader. Disney. Oh, see, Disney is problematic. We had a triangle breakout. We got a buy here. Boom. It was just pulling back, giving us a bear or a bull pullback. Oh boy, let me try something out here. I'm gonna look at just completely jumped off the page. Here we are. It's just not good. I've got to stay with it, but it's eating up all my profits. See, we're going up, 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 up. My profits being eaten alive here. I don't like that it started to pop. People sold into that strength. That I do not like. So tempted to put a sell here, but we're still in an area where buyers could certainly come in. Dow DuPont had a buy on it. It turned around on me, put a sell on it. I'm going to stay with myself. Good with that. GE at 1 point. Whoa, check this out. We got a buy. There's a shooting star. I'm going to put a sell on GE now. So it's just a short little trade. We're at resistance. Shooting star. We got a moving average. Don't want any of that. Goldman Sachs got a sell on it. Look at it just crashing and burning. That's fine. Home Depot put a sell on it, and oh boy, it's dropping nicely. IBM down 1%, put a sell on it, and bam. Intel got a sell on it, and look at the slide. This market's just toast. Johnson & Johnson have a buy on it. It's still, oh, do I want to put a sell on it right now? I'm going to take profits. It's sold. JP Morgan selling down. Coca-Cola got a buy on it. Oh, and it's still in a bull flag, so I'm eating away at profits. I'm down on this one. I'm going to stick with it as long as it stays above this area of support. MACD down 2%. Oh, put a sell on it. So it broke support, put a sell on it. Bam. And now it's at a support level. Let's see what happens. Man, look how slippery this market looks, guys. Put a sell on it. The market looks so slippery. That was Triple M, by the way. This is Merck. Got a sell on it. It's dropping. Microsoft dropping. Nike dropping at support. At support. Pfizer, oh boy, got a buy on it. Let's take profits. All right, we're gonna sell Pfizer. PG, got a buy on it, and we're gonna take profits on PG. Oh, do we have any profits? We're in at 77. What is that? 77.40. 60. I mean 30 cents. That's a whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Travelers got a sell on it. It's going great. UNH. I haven't run in my racquetball buddy about this. Hopefully it'll be there tonight. It's Wednesday, my racquetball league. But we got a sell on it. It's dropping. But you certainly wouldn't want that. Whoa! I put a buy on United Technologies. Look what happened today. Okay. That's going to get a sell again. It didn't do what it was supposed to. So reversed on his Visa. Got a sell on it. Ooh, I'm good with that sell. Verizon. Got a sell on it. But that's going to be a buy soon. I think this one's going to be a buy soon. WBA Walgreens. Got a nice bull pullback. I'm going to stay with my buy, but it's eating away at profits. Walmart. Wow, Walmart's looking good. Up 1%. Wednesday. I'll stay with it. And Exxon. Ooh, I got to sell. Oh, that one blew up on me. Had a buy and then a sell. It did the chop. And I wasn't willing to buy it yesterday. But today I have to do that. Have to do that. Let's go look at some tech stocks of interest. Grok tech stocks. AMD. Apple, we already looked at it. Apple, so we got to sell on Advanced Micro Devices. Sorry for coughing in the microphone. Rude. Amazon, got to sell on it. Good with that. Baba, got to sell on that. Holy smokes, Bob was down 3.34%. What a drop. Baidu's over 3% to the downside. Come on, Baidu. Look at this. Bad news. So Baba, Baidu, BKNG, this is Priceline. Oh, just a drastic slide. These sells are money making, just huge. Cisco down. Oh, I had a buy, but that scares me. It's going to be a sell now. I thought this bull pullback was going to rally, and it's not. There's the sell. Let's take profits on that. eBay got a sell on it. Oh, it sold at the day's low. eBay's just in trouble. Ooh, Facebook. It's just a bull pullback. If it stays above the 20-day moving average, I'm going to stay with it. But Google put a sell on it. It's dropping. Google with an L but we got support. Let's watch that. GoPro off 4.55% today. Put a sell on it, and it is dropping. That's pretty good. Microsoft, we already looked at that one going down. MU, Micron Technologies. New one on the list that we've been watching. Down. Netflix, put a sell on it, but because it broke this support line. I'm going to stay with the sell. Nvidia, down 2.6. Oh, and broke a support line. You do not want to be holding Nvidia long right now. Not at all. Had a buy going here on Oracle. Now Oracle gets a big, fat, red sell signal. PayPal off 2%. Oh, working out nicely. Red Hat off 4%. Yes, we sold that dude at what day? June 19th at 170. It's at 132 just days later. Huge money maker. Shopify was off almost 7%. Oh, snap. So we put a sell on it on the 21st, as you guys, if you watched my last video, and look what it has done ever since. Horrible. I got a buy on Snap. Oh boy. Snap now is going to be a sell. It ran up, challenged our resistance point, came right back. Now it's no good. Twitter. That's a great looking chart, guys. I'm bullish on Twitter. I got a buyback here at $30 and it's at 43, and I'll stay with it. I'm on a long time. Seriously, if you guys are near Louisville, Kentucky, come join us. Grok Girl is going to be with me, and my wife also. I think Mark the Meerkat can't make it to Louisville. And that's too bad. If you haven't watched his video, though, guys, watch his video, his most recent video. He is killing it in the day trading chat room. If you guys aren't doing that chat room, shame on you. Man, that's if you're a day trader, of course. But hopefully we see you in Louisville, not this Saturday, but next, or the mentorship in Las Vegas. We also have an online mentorship in July you can join us for. So that is it, gang. Oh boy, I hope you don't ridicule me for not doing my video, since I'm wearing just a shirt I would do chores in at home. So take care. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.